everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Nwafọ Igbo. I'm your lovely host, Ada Igwe Umori, and today we have a fascinating topic lined up for you. We'll be diving deep into the world of the Igbo people, Nigeria's most powerful ethnic group. Get ready to explore the untold secrets that make them such an influential force in Nigerian history. Before we begin, let's clarify who the Igbo people are. The Igbo are one of the Nigeria's major ethnic groups, primarily found in the southeastern region of the country, with a rich cultural heritage and vibrant traditions. They have played a remarkable role in shaping modern Nigeria. So, what makes them so powerful? To answer this question, we need to take a stroll through their history, starting with their ancient origins. Archaeological discoveries suggest that ancestors of the Igbo settled in their present-day homeland around 2500 BCE. These early settlers were predominantly farmers who cultivated yam, palm oil, and various other crops. Their agricultural prowess not only contributed to their economic prosperity, but also set a strong foundation for future developments. Over time, these farming communities evolved into city-states featuring complex political systems. Evidently organized and efficient, their societies flourished both culturally and economically. One thing that sets the Igbo apart is Igbo mythology. It represents a significant aspect of their religious beliefs. Many gods and goddesses are worshipped by various communities within the ethnic group. The deities embody traits like fertility, good health, prosperity, or even natural elements like rivers or mountains. For instance, Amadioha is known as the god of thunder and lightning, while Allah represents Mother Earth herself. These myths play an essential role in cementing societal values held dear by the community. Values like honesty, hard workmanship, respect for elders, and the importance of communal unity. However, it's essential to note that the Igbo were not immune to outside influences. Contact with European explorers and traders during the 15th century opened up avenues for trade, eventually resulting in the devastating transatlantic slave trade. The slave trade sadly brought immense suffering to many African communities, including the Igbo. Many lives were lost or forever changed as individuals were captured and forcibly separated from their families. Despite this painful part of history, it's important to recognize the resilience of the Igbo people. Through their perseverance and determination, they managed to overcome unimaginable hardships. As Nigeria transitioned into colonial rule under British control, the Igbo emerged as a leading force in education, politics, and commerce. They embraced Western education and seized opportunities within various sectors, gradually becoming Nigeria's most educated ethnic group. This rise in prominence led them to play key roles in Nigeria's struggle for independence during the mid-20th century. Many notable Igbo figures fearlessly fought for social justice and equality alongside other ethnic groups across Nigeria. Post-independence success was bittersweet for the Igbo people. In 1967, amid political tensions related to wealth distribution and power sharing across regions, a separatist movement began among some Igbos who sought an independent state called Biafra. Thus commenced a tragic 3-year civil war, the Nigerian Biafran War, 1967 to 1970. The conflict led to tremendous loss of life and caused irreparable damage across Nigeria. Ultimately, however, Igbo hopes for Biafran independence were dashed when they surrendered to Nigerian forces in January 1970. Since then, there has been significant progress towards reconciliation between different ethnic groups within Nigeria. Today, we witness thriving relationships between Igbos and other Nigerians based on mutual understanding and acceptance. However, the scars have not yet fully healed from this period of turmoil. Despite the challenges faced, the Igbo people continue to make remarkable contributions to Nigeria and beyond. Igbos are known for their entrepreneurial spirits and have played a significant role in various sectors, such as commerce, medicine, arts, and entertainment. In Nigeria's film industry, Nollywood, Igbo filmmakers have earned international recognition while showcasing the cultural richness of their people through captivating movies. Moreover, Igbo music has become a popular genre worldwide, with artists like Flavor and Phyno winning global acclaim. Today, Igbos can be found in almost every corner of Nigeria and various parts of the world, truly embodying the Igbo saying, Igbo enweze, which means the Igbo don't have kings, but leaders. And that brings us to the end of today's episode. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the untold secrets of Nigeria's most powerful ethnic group, the Igbos. Remember to appreciate the diversity that exists within Nigeria's cultural fabric. Join me next time on Nwafọ Igbo as we uncover more fascinating tales from around the world. Thank you.